Hey, what's up, traders? The watch list video for Thursday, August 4th. The SPY still pushing higher, impressive strength. Dow was up 416 points, I believe, today. Couple highlights from the day before I get into the watch list. PSTX, Cyrano came up with the idea probably when it looked like this. Typed out something like 375 second mounts with the high of day above and the 200-day looming above that might act as a trigger, something like that, or act as a magnet. So when it gets back through 375, it's just off to the races. Went to 553. That's a huge percentage gain. Excuse me, and an amazing call by Cyrano. QNRX. Let's give a shout out in chat. Jorge, excuse me, Jorge posted the idea back through 14. And then Wayne jumped in and said, hey, this does meet the parameters of what we call, not to get too technical, second mouse butt play. And the break of 14 right there was the idea. And that's not an errant take. It actually went to 28.11. Just an amazing move. And it seems like almost every stock that rips on a given day, somebody in the chat room has spotted the setup before the rip or a clean pullback play on it or something. So again, I can't say enough about the teamwork in there. I'm going to jump right in to the watch list for tomorrow. I'm not in love with MDIA, but when it moves, it can move. Gapped up today, sold off, but closed kind of in the middle of its range. I'm going to put it on a chart. KSPN, huge move today, pretty strong close. Maybe we'll get a setup in that one tomorrow. ENVB. There was a theme today on, I guess, recent reverse split, tiny float type stocks. And I guess somebody figured out ENVB is one of them, made a massive move. So we're going to keep our eyes on that one tomorrow. I already talked about QNRX today. The great call by Jorge and Wayne. Teamed up on that one. We're going to put that back on watch for tomorrow. MAIA, nice 3-day move after an IPO. Now you got 2 days down on declining volume. Pretty good setup for a bounce play. MGAM, I would basically say the same thing. IPO'd, kind of being labeled as a small float and absolutely ripped. Now you got 3 red days in a row, still above the the IPO open. Pretty good setup for a bounce play. OST, let me zoom in on this one. You can kind of see it better. Had the big rip yesterday, quiet inside day today. Looking for a 3rd day play. GOVX, let me pan back out here. A lot of shorts in this one, and it's a recent high flyer and a monkeypox play. So we had the gap up 3 days ago, and it's been selling ever since. I think they had earnings after the bell, and it got a pop to 350, but now it's settled in at 289. So anyway, I'm going to put it on bounce watch after those 3 days, after those 3 red days. BGRY, big pop yesterday, quiet inside day today, looking for a 3rd day play. Coin, big breakout today, COIM, we'll see if it gets set up tomorrow. SKYX had the big pop back here, a few days lower, and is curling back up. And then lastly, XCUR, kind of interesting all by itself here with the big volume and the kind of the nice little candle. But I have it on watch for a possible gapper. It's trading at 355 right now in after hours. So potential gapper tomorrow. And some things are really, really moving. So we need to stay alert tomorrow and hopefully catch some of these big ones again. Great teamwork, and I'm done babbling. We'll see you in the chat room.